Welcome to your dream seaside escape, Wander Cape Cod. I'm Sarah, and I'm going to be giving you a tour of this incredible property that has 7 bedrooms, sleeping up to 16, 9 bathrooms, a beautiful pool and hot tub, a pool house that's been converted into a game room, a fire pit, a barbecue area, and much more. And to top it all off, you're only a 5-minute walk away from your own private beach. Now let's go inside and check out the house. When you first enter this timeless Cape Cod home, you'll notice the beautiful architecture outside. It is classic New England style. And you'll also pass a basketball hoop, which is a fun twist. When you first enter, you're gonna be in this mudroom, and this mudroom has everything you need for the ideal day at the beach. We have beach bags for your use. We also have towels over here. It just makes it so convenient to grab everything, get going, and explore the beach. And over here, this is one of my favorite rooms in the house. Come with me. The kitchen in this home is incredibly elegant and a chef's dream. It is centered with this beautiful island that has so much counter space, making it ideal, cooking amazing meals, and you really have everything you need in this kitchen to make an incredible meal. We have dual ovens, a Wolf stovetop, and I love this little feature. It allows you to fill up your pots right on the stove. Super convenient. We have a pantry over here with tons of different appliances, from Cuisinart blenders to Ninjas, and there's all these really cool hidden elements in this kitchen as well. Like this cabinet, for example, looks like a cabinet, but it's actually garbages. And then this right here looks like a regular cabinet too, but it's a refrigerator. And we don't just have one refrigerator in this kitchen. There are 3. You have that one right there. There's a refrigerator right here. And there's another full-size refrigerator right here with an ice area. So you can scoop up your ice right from here, put that in your cooler, go to the beach. It is incredibly convenient. So where can you enjoy a meal in this space? Well, there are several options. We have 5 bar stools right here along the kitchen island. This is fantastic if you hire a private chef to cook for you, which is a really great option, and our Wander Concierge can help you with that. They can recommend the best private chefs in the area to come here, prep an incredible meal. You can watch them prep it, and then when it's time to eat, well, you can enjoy that right here in our dining room area. This stunning wooden table that comfortably sits 12 people. And one of the things I really adore about this space in general is just the use of nautical and seaside decor. This mirror right here is reminiscent of a ship window, and then we have beautiful anchor artwork on the walls over here. There's one other spot where you can enjoy that meal, and that is right outside. You can dine al fresco by the pool and the hot tub. This is ideal for those summer months. And another option to enjoy your cooking is our grill area, which is right outside by the pool, and you can see the ocean from that while you're grilling. I mean, that is perfection. Now let me show you the living rooms, and that's right, living rooms, because there are 2 of them. Come with me. This living room exudes coastal charm. I love the use of colors throughout this house, and you really see that here in the living room. This is the ultimate spot for relaxing. You have a beautiful flat screen TV with a Roku setup so you can stream. And then just take a look as you're sitting in this room at all the little details they put in here. We have a whale, reminiscent of the whale watching that Cape Cod is known for. And my favorite part about this room is the fact that these are actually accordion doors right here. In the summer months, you can open that up and have this be an indoor-outdoor experience. What I love about our second living room is there is a door right here, so you can have a dual watching experience. Kids can watch something in this room, adults can watch something in the other room, allowing everyone to enjoy their vacation. Now, this has a cozy little seating area here, and there is a bathroom right off to the back for your convenience. This is one of the 3 bathrooms on this floor alone. Now, this living room connects to the mudroom that I showed you earlier, making this kind of a full circle experience. On our way to the first bedroom, you're going to pass our dedicated office space. That comes complete with a curved monitor, a keyboard, a mouse, everything you need to get work done. And one of the things I love about Wander homes is they all come with high-speed internet, which makes it so easy to work remotely or simply browse the internet. And then as we continue down the hallway, there is a half bath for your convenience. Let's continue down this way to our first bedroom. This bedroom exudes seaside chic and has a huge king-size bed and an adorable wicker headboard. Now, one of the things I absolutely adore about all Wander bedrooms is how comfortable the beds are. We invest in the latest in sleep technology, so you sleep so cozy and warm and comfortable. I promise you will get a better night's sleep here than you do at home. We also have fantastic sheets that are really soft, and then next to all of the beds, you have wireless cell phone chargers right here for your convenience. This is great if you forget your chargers at home. This is a MagSafe charger, so you can place your phone right on there and it will charge automatically. You can also charge Apple Watches or AirPods on here, and then if your phone is not MagSafe, it does come with some wires to connect your phone to, so no matter what, you are charged and ready to go. Exit to the outside. You can actually go right to the pool from here, which is absolutely lovely, and then it does have its own in-suite bathroom. In fact, the majority of the 7 bedrooms, that's right, 7 bedrooms in this house have their own in-suite bathroom. This is a full bath. Now, in every Wander bathroom, there are the Wander amenity kits. This is great if you often forget things like dental kits. We have loofahs, we have vanity kits with Q-tips and all different types of things like that. Then we also have cozy plush towels here at all of our Wander properties, and this one included, as well as shampoos, conditioners, body washes, and our fabulous Wander robes. They are the coziest thing, the best thing to just put on at the end of the day and relax. You'll find that in every single bathroom here in the Wander. Now let's head upstairs to see the other bedrooms in this space. I can't wait to show you the primary bedroom. That's my personal favorite. But on our way, I do want to stop here for a moment and show you our game room slash reading room, I like to call it. Now, in this room, you're going to find a table that is perfect for playing games. And in this armoire, you're going to find all different types of games, puzzles, a bunch of activities for you to do during your stay. It is absolutely packed with every game you could ever imagine. Or you could read a book right here and relax. This goes right into our dining room area as well. Now let's head upstairs. Now this floor has 4 king-size bedrooms, each with their own in-suite bathroom. 2 of the bedrooms are completely different than the others, so I'm going to show you those. There's also a laundry room here and a balcony. Come down this way. This is our primary bedroom. The primary bedroom does have its own in-suite bathroom that is beautifully designed. Then right here we have a walk-in closet with tons of space to store your luggage and your clothes, just keeping you organized during your trip. And then right here is our beautiful primary bedroom. I adore the ceilings in this space. They're so unique. They have such a New England charm. You have this beautiful king-size bed that looks right out to the pool and the water. You can see the ocean in the distance, a lovely reading chair here. Now this bedroom has everything the other bedroom came with, such as those wireless cell phone chargers on either side of the bed. You have the super comfortable mattress with the soft sheets. This room also has a flat screen TV, so you can relax in bed, watch some TV. It is fabulous. So that is the primary wing of the house, but I want to show you one additional bedroom on this floor that is very interesting. So this room may just look like a standard king-size bedroom. It does have its own in-suite bathroom. We have all of the amenities that other bedrooms have, including those lovely mattresses, the sheets, the amenities in the bathroom, but there's one other element. Right here, there's actually a hidden room in here for kids. This is so much fun for them. We have bean bags on the floor for them to play on, and it kind of feels like their own little private retreat in here, kind of almost like it reminds me of a tent almost. They just love hanging out in here. It feels like their own little space. But I want to show you the laundry room on this floor. It is right down this way, and this laundry room is fantastic for large groups because we actually have 2 washers and 2 dryers, as well as an area to hand wash clothes here. There's also all of the amenities you need to wash your clothes, such as Tide Pods, stain remover all down here, as well as specialty racks right here where you can hang your clothes. If we come over to this side, there is a private balcony with a seating area right here. Now you may be thinking, is that everything in this house? It is not, because right here we have another floor with more bedrooms. Let's talk about good spaces for kids, and this whole 3rd floor is that. I am obsessed with this adorable bunk room we have here. We have 2 bunk beds with a total of 4 beds in this room, and there's stairs leading up, which is a little bit safer than a ladder. I like that element. There's also a walk-in closet here that has our wonderful Wander robes in it. So even your kids get Wander robes. I mean, that is phenomenal. Now these beds also have those super comfortable mattresses, so everything's ready to go for whoever stays in this room, whether it be a kid or a kid at heart. Now head down this way, and we do have a full bath right here with a shower, and again we have all of the Wander amenities that come in all of the other bathrooms. And then off to this side we have our final bedroom in this house, which has a very patriotic vibe with this fun flag artwork right here, and you also see that reflected with the red and white rug and the blue walls, making this feel very American and classic New England. There is one other part of this house that I have not shown you yet, and that is our pool house. This is just the cherry on top of everything this house has to offer. So if you exit out of our living room, you will walk right on our pool deck, past this lovely seating area with a fire pit, perfect for cozying up. Then you get to our pool house, which has so much fun inside. This pool house is so much fun. There's just so much for kids to do in here, from this old-fashioned arcade game over here to the foosball table. And of course, we have a flat screen TV with a great sound system and a Roku, so you can stream whatever you'd like here. Now, these doors open right up, so this can be an indoor-outdoor experience for the pool deck. And then, because everyone needs one of these in a pool house, washer dryer setup. This is perfect for your bathing suits, your towels. Maybe you're coming back from the beach, you can throw it right in here. We even have a bathroom with a shower here as well. But this isn't the only shower in the pool area. There's actually an outdoor shower too. This house just has everything you could ever imagine. It is a dream. Now that's our house tour, but there are a few other things that you should know about to enhance your trip. Do you have an electric vehicle? Well, this house is equipped with an EV charger right in the garage, meaning that you can explore worry-free and be ready for every adventure. Have kids? Let us help you out. You can enhance your family vacation with Wander, because we'll supply all those things that you need, like a crib, a high chair, and kids' utensils, so you don't have to worry about bringing those from home. So how do you get here to Wander Cape Cod? Well, there are 2 ways. If you're flying in, you can fly into Boston International Airport. That's about 100 miles away, or a closer option is Gateway Airport in Hyannis. That's about 20 miles away from our lovely Wander home here. Or you could drive in if you live in the area. We highly recommend renting a car if you are flying in. However, Ubers and Lyfts are readily available. Are you wondering what to do here in the area? Well, we have a travel guide to help you out with just that, featuring things to do, see, and eat. You can watch that right after this video. However, if you have any specific questions, our Wander Concierge can help anytime with questions. Simply text them at the number shown on screen and they can help you out. At Wander, we believe that life's special moments, such as weddings and family gatherings, are meant to be celebrated together. Our properties offer the perfect backdrop for these occasions. Whether you're planning a dream wedding, a bachelor or bachelorette party, a milestone family reunion, or any other special gathering, Wander allows you to create unforgettable experiences. Visit wander.com/events to discover more about about making your celebrations extraordinary. Thanks so much for joining me at Wander Cape Cod. We can't wait to welcome you. Next, check out our travel guide because there is a ton to do, see, and eat here. We'll see you soon. Bye.